Oh, you can't do it under pressure. Alright, it's now or never.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Go on, son.
Oh shit.
Go on.
Fuck off.
I'm just trying to think how you do this.
Just jump through the middle.
I'm gonna have a practice. I'm gonna have a practice.
Practice fall over.
Practice on your face.
Hey, it don't matter, it's still 250 quid, bruv.
Damn, you fucking bad man. Oh, you fucking bad man.
You can't do it, Paul. You won't do it.
I'm gonna fucking do it.
Do
Anyway,
it.
if I do this, I want every fucker on this train mental, right?
That's a deal, that's a deal.
Is that a deal? Is that a deal? I'm not honest, yeah?
Yeah.
Shut up!
1, 2, 3 goes.
No, one go now, you've had your warm up. Spread your warm up, bruv. That's it.
He's already done that.
It's always falling over.
Come on.
Please.
Almost. That's a warm up. That's a warm up.
Bro, stop messing about. Come on, there's an audience.
Right.
Pressure is on, son.
Oh, it's champagne, man.
If I
All
do
night.
Oh,
Champagne all night.
fuck us.
It's so quiet.
On your face.
And your arse.
We'll split it.
And your knob.
250 we can get with it.
I don't know that I can do this. It's
Well, you said you can do it.
no, I'm just,
You've got a lot of people who are fucking
Look,
bacon in you.
look at these
See the
people.
one matey over there's got fucking, he's got a tenner on it, a fucking 2 to 1 that you're gonna fucking nail it.
2 to 1 the field.
6 to 4 the field.
No, he wants a 2 feet. He's
Oh,
got on the 2 feet.
one foot's last year.
That's boring.
No, don't bother.
Oh, he's
He's
going
seen
to
you before.
He's going to take. I lay it. Evens, it's a deck. Evens.
Fucking hell, you're brave, man.
Evens, it's a deck.
You lost a ton.
Properly do it.
no, he wants
Good man.
You smash your face up. Come on.
You gotta do it before we get to her screen.
Oh,
Fuck, mate, have you got any idea
Oh, fucking hell.
Cup broke.
Oh, that's fucking...
Fucking geezer.
Well, you can't even stand up, you
Oh, yeah,
cunt.
I've got in trouble for saying that.
Oh yeah, sorry. Didn't mean to say cunt.
50 quid in a swear box.
Come on, do it now.
Hurry up.
Come on.
Oh,
None avoid.
Don't
Wait.
do that.
Oh, fuck.
Right.
he's-
What are you doing?
Stop teasing everyone.
Oh, you let your arms go.
I can't.
Fuck's sake, man. Stop letting...
Rubbish.
Can't
Can't do it.
I don't... Oh, you fucking loser.
Well, you got all the way back to fucking
What are you giving up
Victoria
for?
to do it. Come on. Oh, even these guys are getting fed up with you now.
Can you do
Oh.
one hand?
It's fucking boring now.
So I'll have a challenge. If anyone wants one hand, anyone want one hand? One.
Nobody wants
Oi,
that.
oi,
No,
oi.
no
Do you know
one's
what?
ever bothered. Everyone just wants to fall.
Everyone has fucking fallen asleep.
They're bored. They're bored of your tricks.
All them were standing up. And now they're sleeping. Who's sleeping? All them sleeping. Shocking.
You've let the train down.
Mate, I can't.
You need to go to bed.
Hey,
It's genuinely impossible. You
back
can't
in the
do it.
day, like
You can do it because there are people that have
Hey,
carriage,
fucked.
like carriage 2 or whatever it is.
just let the train down.
Fucking hurry
I'm
up.
going to run out of memory.
Mate, you're rubbish. You can't do it. Fall on your face. Oh, you're
What
so
was that,
rubbish.
mate?
Give me a bit of blood.
Just go and hurt yourself.
You didn't do it, B.
Vinny. Baby. Fucking God,
Right,
man.
this is going to crack on all the way over back. He's still going to be doing this in a bare back.
Oh. Oi, if you do it in a bear, that'd be brilliant.
Mate,
Be
seriously.
good now.
Have you got
but
any idea how hard this is?
have you got any idea how much memory you're sucking
I don't
up?
really give a fuck.
Right. You better fucking do
You're
this.
boring me now. You're absolutely boring.
I don't,
It is a
if I'm
little
honest
bit
with you, I don't
boring.
think I can do it. I don't think I can do it.
Why?
I don't
It's
give it.
nearly impossible.
Why?
You bet me 500
I can't
quid
do
you
it.
could do it.
I know I can't do
You
it.
did.
can't
You
even
bet
do
me
one.
500 quid you could do it.
I'll get fed up with watching this.
You want to go through? What do you mean, like Christina
The
Aguilera, big
one,
toe?
the 1 foot, yeah, makes a big difference. Hold your foot there, right? It's hard. Hold your foot at the end. Easy.
Easy.
Well, I ain't seen no one else do it.
No, I was just saying easy. Do you think
I'll tell you what. Do you know what? I'll do you a deal. I'll do you.
I'll do you a deal. Like that.
I'll do it 3 times on the trot.
Do you know what? I'm not
If
into
I do it
deals.
3 times on the trot, one of you's got to try to do it once. How's that? Is that a deal?
Who's going to try it?
Well,
Well,
I ain't doing
You're
it.
the smallest, lightest, and you've got enough
Most
room to jump
agile.
up.
Yeah, you up for a bit of that?
no, I can't do that. I don't think. Hold that a sec.
Hold in.
I'm not sure.
It's
Oh,
easy.
you're the
mate,
smallest
it's
kid
easy.
to read. You must be able to do it.
So if I do it 3 times
me try and
on,
do it.
on the trot,
This man here.
I don't
This
think
man
I
here.
can do it. Right?
Can you do it?
Do yourself a favour. Take your shoes off.
I can't be jacked to do that.
Trust me.
Oh, he's got laces, man. It's
Otherwise
bad.
you're going to fall over. I've got laces.
Oh, she'll do it. Oh, she'll do it in your shoes.
Dude, can you do it? Can you do it?
No, Tom, don't
You got
talk
so
to
you
me.
like
Oh, no, man.
You've got
Gorry is a bad guy.
If I do the 2,
Do it properly though, Paul.
Just smash your fucking
Jim,
nose on the
Jim,
floor,
Jim, are you
please.
down with that?
no, hold on. Here. This is so hard. Seriously, I'm not even joking. It's mega hard.
Poor. Do it properly. Oh, you can cut the atmosphere with a knife. Did you just do it?
No,
no,
I
he
didn't.
didn't.
Mega hard. Ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna keep
Oi,
trying.
well,
Try
you're
jumping.
so nearly there.
What's he trying to do?
Put
Jump-
hands.
jump
hands,
over his
3 feet.
hands.
Right, have you ever done the one where you've got 1 foot, yeah? You get that leg over that leg.
Now approaching Weldon.
You've seen people do that, yeah? You want to see some skill. Mega impressed.
Go on, son, quickly. He needs it, doesn't he? Everyone's getting so fucking bored of it.
I can't do it. Seriously, you guys keep begging me on. I can't do it.
Now, little man wants to see the fucking just the one leg.
I'm gonna, but I just can't do it when I can't even stand up.
What? No.
Huh?
Oh, that's
You're
that
laying
one's
off.
the other. Damn it. Maybe it's this one then. The lights are on.
Get off the rails.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to
Get off the rails.
calling at Upper Warren
Get off the rails.
I'm proper pissed at my mum.
and London Victoria.
Get off the rails.
I'm going to.
That's cheating.
Touch the bar, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how to do it with 1 hand. But I just can't do it with 2 hands. It's mega hard.
This goes on for ages.
How many more